Okay, so I'm gonna do some work on the front grille for the Sumo, Proline Sumo body. So I'm just prototyped a new system because the body doesn't come with any buckets to install LEDs, just comes with stickers. So I thought, let's do some light buckets, and in the meantime can redo a new grid. So here it is. It's a 5-piece design. So have a center grille, left and right side that would allow 1, 2, 3 LEDs on each side, and then the light buckets that is on the insides that would be printed in gray, like silver metallic gray. And so yep, just like that, a couple of 5mm 3mm screws to attach the front of the light to the grille. So my idea was, instead of doing a long one piece for the grille, this system I can actually design a few other grilles and use the same light buckets on every design, so that's kind of multiple use and don't have to print that many large pieces, which are kind of a pain to print. So here, that's the one-piece grille, and so that will come right here in the front of the body. I've already drilled the 1 to 3 holes, so there are 2 holes that are on the outside here that are going to mount on the inside here, and there's a third one that will screw from the back inside of the body into the back of the grille. So I didn't check the size yet, but I think those, I think they're 8 mils, so I think they should be fine. I'll give it a try, see how it goes. So now, moment of truth. So first of all, I need to check that the holes I've made behind are actually big enough. Yeah, they seem to be big enough. So we'll put the first screw. See how it goes. I might need longer ones. No, that's actually pretty good. It's a pretty good fit. And I might want to do the other side right away, just to make the front tighter. Let me go around there. So that's living in a tiny space here. I think I might have made this hole too small for the 3M. So we'll just, alright, force it in. That was the sound of forcing it in. And then I'm screwing it to the inside of the light bucket. Hold on, let me get back into frame. Yeah, alright, so just like that. And so now we line up everything. That's pretty sweet. Alright, so 2 more on the outside. 1 for the left side. Here goes. Lining up. It's through again. And 1 for the right side. Over there. Get in through the Lexan. Okay, and now, so you see those are a little bit sticking out, but they're going to be screwed from the inside, so it should be a really good fit at the end. So let's screw this on the inside here. Screw into the grille. And the last one over there. Alright. I think I might need longer ones for this specific one. Maybe it's just, no, it's not going through the Lexan. I might have made the hole too small in the Lexan, so I'll just screw it through Yeah, I'm gonna need a longer screw for that, but that's in. Check it out. I think it's pretty cool. It's gonna be pretty sick with the three. I think I'll put the orange on the top here and whites here and in the middle, and I'll paint the bucket in gray on the inside, or not actually, I'm not sure, we'll see. But yeah, that's it for today. The grill for the front of the Proline Sumo legs and body. See you next time.